What's up everybody, Nick here with Krietz Customs, and I want to show you guys our brand new build on this 2026 Ford F-150 Lariat. Ford did it great with the blackout package, but we made it better. Stay tuned to see what we did. So starting off with this build, we went ahead and did our typical 6-inch 35/22/12 build on this truck. For this lift kit on the F-150 Lariat, we went with the Rough Country 6-inch lift kit with N3 struts. One of the things I love about the Rough Country lift kits that do come with the loaded struts is that you're not gonna break the bank to get a good ride quality. You can actually stay sub $2,000 on most of your lift kits, but you're still gonna get a close to factory feel. And that's so critical when you're looking to upgrade your vehicle like this one here. We all know that wheels and tires are not cheap. So by running that, you're not sacrificing quality, but you're still allowing room to get the wheel and tire setup you want. On this particular wheel and tire setup though, we did go with the Fury Country Hunter RTs. This is a mid-grade tire by Fury Tires, and it's going to give you great hookup. If you see the center tread here, if you're familiar with them, you're gonna notice that it has a little bit of a crisscrossing pattern. This is gonna help so that way in your wet conditions or when going off-roading, you're not experiencing too much tire spin. But it's also gonna help so it has good self-cleaning abilities, whether that's gravel, snow, mud, light sand. This is gonna help you get through most of your terrain. Granted, it's not one of the top tier tires, so if you are looking to upgrade, come to Krietz Customs where we can get you some Nitto Ridge Grapplers, Toyo Open Countries, or my personal favorite, Mickey Thompson Baja Bosses. But then as far as the wheel goes, we went with the Fuel Flux. This one is in the blackout finish. This is a satin finish, and I think that's something you need to keep in mind when doing a blackout package. A lot of times people look at gloss black trucks or trucks with a metallic sheen and they go, I need gloss wheels. But as you can tell on this one right here, satin is going to do the job. Not only do you get a little bit of the sheen that you would see in a gloss wheel, but you're also not too dull like a completely matte or flat wheel. So this is the best of both worlds. It's gonna help to eliminate some of those smudges you might see on a all gloss wheel and to hide a little bit of the dust we get kind of in this area, especially spring when pollen is everyone's worst nightmare for a black vehicle. But as far as the blackout package I hinted at, this is coming from Ford directly. So what that means is they went ahead and did black emblems, all their mirror caps are paint matched front bumpers. And then one of the things I really love about this F-150 here actually is this Ford emblem with the black and white contrast. I think that really breaks up the truck a little bit. I love the murdered out look, don't get me wrong, but it is a very nice, clean look, especially with this updated front end that we saw in this newer generation of the F-150. But follow me back here to the back of this truck, because there's something else we added to it. A lot of times we all buy trucks, and for the most part, many of us want to use them as trucks. But in this truck here in particular, we actually threw a rugged truck bed liner in here. This is gonna be a plastic drop-in liner. And this is gonna be a very cost-effective method for anyone who's looking to protect their truck bed, but doesn't wanna actually go with a full spray-in bed liner. I've personally gone both ways in my trucks, whether it be a spray-in or a drop-in liner, and they both have their benefits. So if you are someone who's looking to maybe protect cargo, maybe you're doing construction and you don't wanna have to beat up a spray-in bed liner, and quite frankly, you just don't want to break the bank, a drop-in plastic bed liner like the one we put in this F-150 is going to not only do the job, but far exceed your expectations. So that's it for what we did to this truck, but stay tuned because there's more I want to show you on this thing. Okay, so initial thoughts of getting in the vehicle. This is where I want to actually draw some of your attention, not to anything we did, but something I have to give complete compliments to Ford on. These seats are incredible. It really doesn't get much comfier than this. I mean, my first thought sitting in here was I could probably take a nap in here, but I'm on the job, so I can't really do that. But there are a few benefits that you are gonna get when buying an F-150 and a Lariat, or even an XLT or a higher trim level, because one of the benefits of Ford is they have a lot of variety in what you can do to customize the interior and technology packages of your truck. This Ford right here, though, comes with a few really nice features that I think you're going to love, and I know I do as well. First off, heated and air-conditioned seats as well as a heated steering wheel. Here in Maryland, we see the weather change all the time. This morning I woke up, it was 50 degrees. It's gonna be high of 70, but here in the next month, we'll probably see it drop and spike all at the same time. So it's really nice to be able to have those air-conditioned seats as you go into the summer, and then the heated seats as you go into the winter, and a heated steering wheel is just a nice little touch. But we're now driving computers. Gone are the days where all you see are the channel you're listening to, maybe which track you're going if you have a CD player, but those days are gone. We are now in the future. This is 2026, baby, and right now we have a 12-inch screen here in the center console. This is going to allow you to hook up to things like Apple CarPlay and then running your maps and really just have a nice center for control. You don't have to have a difficulty navigating it. It's all pretty central right here. Speaking of screens, you are going to get a nice center cluster. This is going to be where you see your speedometer, your tachometer, really find your miles, but also to understand your trip and fuel gauges. Ford does a great job at providing info to its customers, and that's one of the things I love, and I know you're going to love as well about this vehicle. Speaking of interior features, right here is going to be your shift column. If you actually press this button right here, yeah, you saw that too? That's pretty sick, right? You're actually gonna be able to put your shifter down. Now, this truck doesn't have it, but some of the Fords do, where you can actually flip your center console all the way down, almost creating an entire workbench. So if you're someone who, maybe you're on a trip, you're parked at a stop, you wanna unpack the McDonald's for the kids, or maybe you're someone who's working at a job site, you're going to a meeting, you need to work on your computer, it kind of creates a workbench for you here. Ample cup holders, normal F-150 features as far as maximum space in the cab, but you also in this truck particularly get a really nice moonroof. This is nice if you want to go stargazing or if you're really just driving late at night or during the day and you want to see out. So that pretty much wraps up some of the interior features I want to show you, but keep in mind many of the F-150 trim levels are going to have different features and all trucks are not built the same. So if you want a truck like this, definitely stop by so we can get you in a new ride. Okay guys, this truck's pretty much dialed in as far as a lift, wheel, and tire setup. But if you are looking to maximize how your vehicle looks, you want to modify it a little bit, I actually want to give you a brief moment to show you some different things you can do to an all-black vehicle of your own or to this F-150 if you're the guy or gal who wants to take it home with you. First off, ceramic coating. If you aren't familiar with it, you are missing out on ceramic coating, especially on a black vehicle. We've all been taught from the time we start driving that if you buy a black vehicle, it shows dirt, it shows scratches. Well, gone are those days with ceramic coating and paint protection film. It's a dynamic duo you don't want to miss. So by going ahead and doing a paint correction, clay barring the vehicle, giving it a nice hand wash, and applying ceramic coating, you're actually adding hydrophobic properties to your vehicle. This is going to allow the water to repel easier, but you're also going to get rid of fine swirls and scratches that can show up from something as simple as that. Paint protection film, on the other hand, is going to help with rock debris. So if you want to maximize protection on your black truck, really any vehicle for that matter, but especially if you're buying an all-black F-150 that is a beauty like this, you want to hit up those dynamic duos. Another thing that you guys can add to your vehicle that you definitely want to take advantage of before we start getting into those true summer months, or if you're in an area where heat is pretty much year-round, is going to be window tint. You want to add window tint. This is going to help with your heat rejection, but also just making the vehicle look pretty trick. Here at Krietz Auto, we work with 3M products. We're actually a 3M pro shop here in Frederick, Maryland. So if you want to outfit your vehicle with their color stable, ceramic tint, or even their crystalline tint, additionally with darkening parts of your vehicle, tail lights. Smoking your tail lights is a great option to help really just make the vehicle look a little bit more aggressive. You get rid of some of this bright red that, I don't want to say clashes, but it clashes the black pretty hard. By going with a smoked taillight, you're still going to allow for visibility when you need to brake or you need to go in reverse, but you are going to give a much more aggressive appearance on your vehicle. We can also do things like fender flares, exhaust, and all sorts of custom interior design. So those are just a few things I wanted to make a shameless plug for you to make sure you're getting the best out of your vehicle. But if you need any of those things, come to KreitzCustoms.com or stop into our store where we can help get your vehicle modified the way you want. That's a wrap, guys. But if you're looking to buy this F-150 or really any truck here from Krietz Customs, definitely stop by and see our sales team. I will warn you, they sell fast. So make sure you give us a buzz. We want to get you in the right vehicle. But in the meantime, guys, keep watching our videos. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what vehicle you would buy or how you would personally build this vehicle. Maybe a different wheel, tire, lift setup. We want to know from you how you would do this as well. As always, pleasure talking with you guys and doing a build overview. But in the meantime, dare to be different. See you in the next one. Okay, Krietz Custom family, don't forget about our end of the year giveaway. This year, we're trying to hit 50,000 subscribers on YouTube. Our giveaway rules are pretty simple. Subscribe, like, comment, and it allows us to be able to notify you if you are the winner. But we do have to hit 50,000. You may be wondering what we're giving away. We're giving away a set of 22 by 12 inch fuel wheels and up to 35-inch tires. So if you want a new set of shoes and wheels for your ride, definitely make sure you subscribe and help us reach our goal so you can be riding in style. See you soon.